are pleased to show you the 2018 Ford Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player, trip computer, passenger airbag, power windows, rear head airbag. Come see the car for yourself.